Oh, yes, I did. Let's get started. How's it going, YouTube? Back again with another Funko Pop. Well, I would say one, but anyways, yeah, I got Lars, Kurt, and Robert from Metallica. Could not find James Hetfield. They did not have him. So, boo, what are you going to do? You know, you just have to wait until they get it in, or, you know, dare I try to get one online, because for some reason everybody thinks that they're, you know, worth their weight in gold, and that's how much they want for them. So, anyways, here we go. Let's have a look at them. Oh, yeah, here we go. These things are great. I love the way that they look. I don't know, they look great. I love that they have the guitars. I love Lars has sticks in his hand. You know, he's a drummer, so yeah. Man, these things are made really good. The detail is very nice on them. I like that. Look, he has the Metallica star logo. I love that. Has his hand on the strings. I love that. I love everything about this. He plays with his fingers, so yeah. You know, Robert, he's the new guy in the band. Well, he's been there for about 10 years now, but anyways. And then Kurt, I love this. He even has, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it'll focus in. Guess it's not going to. There we go. Metallica right there. Wow, look at the way that they got that logo done. That's very nice. Very nice. On his what they call a King V, or I don't know what it's called in the ESP, but and then Lars, let's have a look at him. Definitely made him look younger because he's got hair. He doesn't hardly have hair anymore. I like the way that these look. This is just awesome. This is awesome. And yeah, it's unfortunate they didn't have James, but I will be looking to get James pretty soon, and we'll put these all together. Now, the plan is to build a stage and have these up there, okay? And then build a little drum kit that'll go with Lars, you know, because he'll stand behind it and it'll look like he's playing the drums. And then put a backdrop in there. That would be just awesome. That's going to be awesome. Anyways, here you go. The 3 of the 4 Metallica Funko Pops. Thanks for watching.